Hello family, welcome to PananaTV. My name is Monicah. Let's make some fried fish and chips. Oh my goodness, this was so delightful. Crispy outside and so fresh and tender inside. Like, I absolutely love this. I'm obsessed. Let's make it. Alright fam, let me show you how I make this fried fish. So I'm using a large hake. You have an option to whether you want to cut it or just use it whole. So I'm just going to cut it in this video. So my fish has defrosted. Now before I start seasoning it, I'm just going to pat it dry with a paper towel. Once that is done, I'm just going in with some salt. It's very important to season your fish, otherwise it's just gonna be bland. And then this is optional. I like to season with fish spice as well. It just adds so much flavor, and black pepper as well. So now to season our flour, we're just gonna add fish spice, sea salt, and then some black pepper. So for our beer batter for fish, so we're just going to add flour, sea salt, black pepper, and then fish spice. So to make our batter, we're just going to now add beer. If you don't want to add beer, you can use soda water. Kind of soda water would be good as well. So just add about 500 ml and then mix through. Make sure that it's not too runny. Alright, so this is the right consistency that we are looking for. Our fish is going to be nice and crispy. You can start to heat your oil while preparing your chips. So to make your chips, you're going to double fry them. You're going to place them in hot oil, leave them to do their thing, set them aside, place them back again on high heat, and fry them for the last time until they're nice and crispy. Now we're gonna take a seasoned fish, place it in our batter, and then remove the excess liquid, and then now place it in our flour, and then remove the excess flour and start to fry. It is time to place our fish in our hot oil. I used cooking oil for this. So fry your fish until it looks golden. My chips are so tasty, crunchy, and soft inside. Now it's time to remove our fish because it's looking good. We don't want it to be too dry. So you're just gonna remove them and place them on a paper towel to remove the excess oil. Let's season with some salt and drizzle some lemon juice, bit of vinegar, and you are done. This was so yum, tasty, delicious, all things beautiful. Just look at that. And guys, wait fish to get a bit cooler. I just couldn't wait. I enjoy having it while it's still hot. I absolutely love it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you enjoyed this video. Look at that. Bye guys. Bye fam. Enjoy.